Welcome to this Ready to Craft. In this video, I will show you how to create an adorable Easter sign using Readi-Board foam board. To begin, I'm going to use repositionable spray adhesive to attach this bunny template to a piece of foam board. I've already put a new blade in my hobby knife, and I'm going to cut these shapes out. Remove this template and place it on another piece of foam to cut out the tail. I'm going to cut multiple squares of crepe paper. You can also use tissue paper for this. I've applied a generous amount of spray adhesive to my tailpiece already. Using the end of a pencil, I'm going to press the eraser into the center of my crepe paper square. Give it a little twist, and then press it into the adhesive. I'm going to start from the center and work my way outward. Continue working like this until you've filled your entire piece. Moving on, I've printed out my letter template. I've already attached a piece of decorative paper to another piece of foam board using spray adhesive. I plan on using a different paper for my egg, so I'm going to remove it from the template first. Then I will apply repositionable spray adhesive, and carefully cut the letters out. Because this paper is a little bit thicker than the other one, I'm going to cut the egg shape out first and then apply it to some foam board. I'm going to save my egg template and use it on this glitter paper. I've mounted my egg shape onto some foam board, and I'm going to use the glitter paper to add some decorative accents. I'm using white glue to attach these. This gives me a little time to move around the elements. While I have my white glue out, I'm going to assemble my bunny. Allow those to dry. I've set up my letters, and I'm going to cut a piece of foam board to glue them onto. An easy way to make curves is to use a piece of string. I'm going to arrange my letters and use white glue to attach them. Finally, I'm going to use some ribbon to create hanging points. I like to use hot glue for this because of the shorter set time. Compare your ribbons to make sure they're the same length. I'm using a thinner ribbon for my bunny. Now that everything is set, I'm going to gather all the ribbons and tie a knot. I'll also tie a decorative bow. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you'd like to see a ready to craft of, let us know in the comments.